Hello guys, hello all of you out there. Welcome to Segona, Casa, and this is me Suvarna and that is Sanana. Guess where we are? We are in Donut Factory Kakanad outlet, and we are so excited with the different varieties of donuts they've offered here. And there are a lot of other options too, but before I spill out everything right here, check out the video. This place is pretty big. There are 3 areas for seating, as in we are in the biggest area of seating out here. There's one at the entrance and there's one right at the left once you enter into it. There's a pretty decent parking space as well, and you really won't believe it. I mean, it's still so crowded out here. We had to actually request them for a time slot where there are no much people, as in no much footfall into this restaurant. And if you have to really get into the details, we actually had to wait for the fresh set of donuts to come and be delivered into the donut factory so that we could cover the best ones for you. Just imagine, I mean, I'm so happy that people are still finding time, with all the safety measures of course, to drop by such an interesting outlet like the donut factory and grab some really interesting ones. I think now we have to really get you closer to the yummy donuts in this outlet. We really have different kinds of donuts out here. Now I'm standing at their counter. There are so many varieties of donuts at this factory, and I really am confused to pick one. But there are few which are really moving fast, and you know, you have to really be really guarded to get your hands on them. So I think we have to check with one of them here as to which is the special ones. If the buying special item donuts.
Special item stuffed donut and ring donut. Stuffed donut is main at home. Ring donut is triple chocolate. Total 26 of flavors are donut production.
choose one flavor or a combination of flavors in boxes of 3, 6 or 12. We got our box of donuts. When are you gonna get yours?